In this video, I want to talk about how to take care of your emotional needs. What's up, legend? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology, helping you find your true character and level it up so you can play life better. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3.5 tips on how to take care of your emotional needs because it's important. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on right now. A lot of us are stressed out and freaking out about just the state of the world and then what's going on in the house and inside as well, and a lot of fears and struggles and frustrations. So here we go. I remember when I was younger, about like 23, 24, I was pretty unstable. Like, I think most people would look at me and say, okay, he's calm and, you know, subtle and all these other things. And people did say that. You know, people would walk up to me and say, like, you're a narcissist, you only think about yourself, you have no emotions, you're so cool. Not like Fonzie cool, but like just drained of any emotions. It was because I had kept them in, and then I would go home and I would struggle with them. I would go for runs just by myself, like freaking out, just needed to get the energy out, punching walls, punching myself, just getting really like frustrated, unable to sleep, looping thoughts over and over and over and over again, more than I do now, and more negative than I do now. And it was a mess. And so I want to tell you some of the things that I learned that have helped me deal with it. So the first one is to think fast. I didn't necessarily develop this. I think Gordon Emerson was the guy that put these words in this order, F-A-S-T, that got me. So look up him. It's good stuff. F-A-S-T, fear, anger, sadness, or trauma. So when you are stressed out, when you're freaking out, there's some sort of emotions that need to be met, it's important to understand that it's probably one of those four. You know, are you feeling fear about something? Check with yourself. You know, am I afraid that this person's going to leave me? Am I afraid that I'm not going to be successful? Am I afraid that I'm not going to achieve my goals, that I'm going to be left alone? Could be something like that. Or anger. You know, am I angry that this person violated some sort of need that I have? You know, they didn't have the same value that I had and they stepped on it. Well, that would make me angry. Am I sad? Am I sad that this person is leaving me or not going to be in my life anymore? Or that I haven't achieved the goals that I wanted? It could be a lot of things. Or trauma. Is there something in my past that is triggering this anchored state that's not good and not serving me? You know, is there something that happened that maybe I'm not consciously aware of right now? Okay, I need to process it. I need to think about it and say, you know, probably somewhere down the line, especially when you were like 3 to 7 or something like that, maybe even a little younger, there was probably something similar that happened that taught you to feel that emotion. So it could be some unresolved stuff from your past. So think fast. Next up, associate and dissociate. So it's a kind of a complex thing, but if you're feeling some sort of emotional need, you're either in your body feeling it or you're kind of distanced from it feeling it or not feeling it and watching yourself feel it. So play around with those. And what I mean by that is if you're getting a lot of anxiety about something, and you have the awareness of it, take a second, stop, and imagine that you are separating from your body. Imagine that you're floating up above it and you can view the situation differently. Almost instantly, you're going to get a kinesthetic shift. You're going to feel things or not feel things as much. And also, try it the other way. Maybe you are freaking out because you are not in your body in the moment. So ground yourself by, feeling your toes, bringing your senses into your body, right? Listening for a sound in the moment, feeling the temperature of the air, noticing your breath. right? There are a lot of different things that you can do to bring you into your body. That might be the key to tapping into your emotion. And really the biggest goal, the biggest tip of all this, in my opinion, is to feel more emotions. To allow yourself to feel these emotions, to feel them all the way through, let them go through your body, don't stop them, don't cap them off, and take note of them. Where are they located in your body? Right? When I get confused, and that's the state that I'm in, it's this kind of like bluish, light gray kind of haze in front of me. Right? When I'm feeling anger, it's this rising red, fluid. When I feel convicted about something, I feel like all the liquid, all the values and sloshiness within me just kind of locks down and solidifies. I know that might sound strange for you, but map your emotions, feel them, feel through them so that you can understand them more. And that's the long-term game here. When you do that more, you'll notice more quickly when you are feeling an emotion and what that emotion is. And for the last one, if you're watching this video because you want somebody else to help you with your emotions, as in you're in a relationship and you're stressing out and you want some support for your emotions, well, when you talk to somebody else and tell them your emotions, it doesn't really help to say just, you're pissing me off, you're making me angry, or I'm feeling depressed right now. You kind of gotta finesse it a little bit. So tell them how you're feeling. It's important. I'm feeling this right now. I'm feeling sad right now. I'm feeling anger. What is that emotion? And this is what I need. Say, I need this. I need some more time. I need to process this. I need your help. I need a hug. I need whatever it is. And that can be hard to do. I mean, even for me, it's not something I like to communicate with other people necessarily. I often feel like if I just keep processing it, if I just understand myself more, then it'll be all okay. But sometimes you do need that stuff. No matter who you are, sometimes a little bit of human connection is good. So if you're working with somebody else, say how you're feeling and tell them what you need. Don't ask them, what do I need? Don't do that. All right, well, I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, which of those are you going to implement next time? And if you're interested in more videos like this, personal development, check them out over here. And if you want some one-on-one coaching, go to geekpsychology.com and sign up for a clarity session. Keep up the lifelong questing. Good luck, have fun. Peace.